Excuse me, could you tell me what time breakfast is served?
Of course, breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Great, and is breakfast included in my room?
Yes, it's included in your stay
Perfect, where can I have it?
in the restaurant on the first floor.
Is it a buffet or a la carte?
It's a buffet with many options.
Nice, do you have vegetarian choice?
Yes, we do. Salad, fruit, bread, and more.
That sounds good. What about coffee?
We serve first coffee, tea, and juice.
Lovely. Can I get breakfast earlier? Maybe at 6:30?
Normally it starts at 7, but we can prepare a breakfast box for you.
Oh, that's very helpful. How can I order one?
Just let us know the evening before.
Excellent. And is the restaurant busy in the morning?
It's usually greater before 8.
Good to know. Do I need to show my room key at breakfast?
Yes, please show it to the staff at the entrance.
Alright, and is there a dress code?
No strict code. Just casual clothing is fine.
Perfect. Thank you for answering all my questions.
My pleasure. Enjoy your breakfast tomorrow.